welcome back to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bedazzle this super cute Louis Vuitton bag. This was sent to me by my dear friend Lori from Smiling Cats Couture. Guys, she has a channel. Please go check it out and tell her that I sent you. She has the cutest Murakami LV collection, guys. Go check it out if you're into handbags, or just go show support. So guys, she wanted me to bedazzle this bag. We're gonna make it like a super cute. I already showed you guys how to do this on my old channel, but it was like during a live, so I'm gonna do a proper DIY today. Okay, so let's get into it because we're gonna make this bag look super cute, right? You saw it already. It's cute, right? Let's begin. I am going to be using liquid fusion in my applicator bottle. I have my pickup tool, and I am starting off with some navy blue rhinestones in the size SS4. So I'm going to start off by doing the letters. We're only going to do this. I'm going to paint over it just so you can't see it through the rhinestones when I bedazzled it. But for now, let's begin with the letters. I'm going to go letter by letter. I'm going to apply the liquid fusion. Just a thin layer. And then I'm just going to apply the rhinestones. The reason why I do letter by letter is so I have enough time to work with the glue. Double check your work, make sure the rhinestones are where they're supposed to be, and I'm just going to continue doing letter by letter. Okay, so now that I'm done with the letters, look how pretty that is, right? Gorgeous. So now, moving on to the orange area. Now I'm going to be using orange AB rhinestones. This is a size 16. I'm going with a tiny bit smaller rhinestone. I usually use a 20 for bigger projects, but I think the 16 would look super cute. Sometimes the smaller the rhinestone, the cuter something is because it gives it so much detail. So I am going to go row by row in a grid pattern. So let's begin. And with my liquid fusion, I'm going to do a nice thin line right at the top edge to start off. As you can see, I only did a small area, so I have enough time to work with it. And I'm just going to start applying my rhinestones. After finishing my first section, I'm going to do a second one, apply more liquid fusion. And try to make sure your rhinestones are as straight as possible. I'm going to work all the way down. Okay, so I am done doing the top row. Very basic, guys. So I'm just going to continue going row by row on the bag. Very simple. Remember, work by sections. Double check your work. Try to keep your lines as straight as possible. And then I'll come back right here to tell you guys what to do here. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I have reached the letters. I'm going to continue going right here. Obviously not over the letters. I'm going to try to get as close as I can. Like this. As you guys can see, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that I did the other side, I'm going to connect both of them again. So I'm just gonna go back to join my rows like I was before. And I am going to try to keep it as straight as possible. Okay, so now that I have put them both together now, I'm just going to continue my row by row. Same thing I did here. For this area here though, I do have a marker just to color it over so when I bedazzle over it, you can't see the blue letters. I'm gonna let that dry. And I'll be doing a few coats while I'm bedazzling, just to make sure it has a full coverage. And just for reference, if you guys are wondering, this is the color orange. Okay, so I am done doing my rows here. I'm going to double check my last line. How is it looking? Okay, so now for the last step, I'm going to be filling in between the letters and around. So I have orange rhinestones. I don't need that many, so I have a bit. I have them in the size as a 16, 10, and 6. So depending on the area, how big it is, that is the rhinestone I'm going to place. Between the O's, I'm just going to put a dot of glue. Still using my liquid fusion, and I'm going to put the larger rhinestones. Like that. I'm just going to be continuing to fill it in. So now that I'm done filling in the letters, I'm going to fill in the edges on the top and the bottom. Just using the 6. Just doing straight rows across and working by sections. Okay, so I am done. Look at that. I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, so I am completely done. Look at it, guys. How gorgeous did this bag come out? I love it. This bag can be used as decor. It can be used if you want to give somebody a gift and you just want to be extra. I mean, you're already being extra by giving a Louis Vuitton item, but I mean, this just takes it to a whole nother level. I love it. I hope Lori loves it too. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a lovely comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bedazzle your own LV bag. I am just obsessed, guys. I love this little baggie. Please go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna be bedazzling a box as well, so stay tuned for that.